Hi, welcome back. This is Javi's Rockin' Kitchen. This time, we're gonna have 3 different ways to use our tortillas. Remember last video? We went all around the island looking for tortillas and we find them. So now we're just gonna apply in different situations. We're gonna have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Stay tuned. Breakfast. We're gonna have wonderful huevos rancheros. Here we go. Follow us. After I fry the eggs, we're gonna put them on the tortilla. You'll see. We fried the tortilla before and we get this color, this beautiful golden color. It will be really, really crispy, very, very crunchy. So the eggs are gonna go on top of this. All right, just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, as you know. And we're gonna come and set the second egg. All right, now, this is basically our huevos rancheros, but in this is salsa. So here we go. This beautiful salsa contains chile ancho, chile guajillo, garlic, tomatoes, of course, olive oil, and maybe in the future I will show you how to make the salsa. We're gonna make a exclusive video just for that. So this is the simplest and the easiest way to make huevo rancheros, the traditional way. What you're gonna pour the salsa on top of them, just like that, and just like that. Simple as that. Now that we have the salsa, we're gonna become with a little bit extra toppings on that. We're gonna add some little cheese of these wonderful huevo rancheros, queso fresco. That's what we're using. Here we go. Okay, and we're gonna use also some of the avocados. Take the seed out. And we're gonna cut these just like that. Oopsie. Just cut them like that. A bit here and a little bit there. A little bit more here. Perfect. And my friends, there is when we can say that we have the easiest way to make huevos rancheros. The secret's on the salsa. Enjoy a beautiful Mexican traditional breakfast, huevos rancheros. For our chilaquiles, we have totopos. Main ingredient, tortilla. And of course, very, very important for Mexican is the salsa. We have this beautiful salsa that we previously used in the huevos rancheros, and we're gonna use it again in this one. You can do green, also green salsa, and you're gonna love it. So basically what we have in here is a little bit of chips. We're gonna add spread all over the cheese, there, and we're gonna do some salsa, just like it. Don't be shy, it's really important to have a lot of salsas. You're basically gonna have a little soy, kind of crunchy areas at the same time. That's about it. You pour that in there, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pour a little bit of chicken, roasted chicken. We previously roast chicken breast we use this time. Plenty of that, and there you go. We're gonna top it with a little bit of avocado as well. We're gonna go like that. Easy, you know, something like that. Middle, and we're gonna end it with a little bit of garlic cream, which is right here. Here we go. There you go. That's a simple way to make a very nice traditional Mexican lunch with main ingredient, tortilla, chilaquiles. There you go. Okay, my friends, so we have our third plate and dinner time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some tortilla soup. So we basically do have to explain you a little bit of the salsa, okay? This salsa is more considered soup, it's more watery. It's basically a salsa, but we add a little bit more water. It's boiled, not grilled like the other salsas that we used earlier. It actually contains tomato, it has some onion, some peppers as well, but we added way more water. If you can see, this is not, it's considered for me as possibly watery salsa. What it makes it a soup is like really good tomato soup or something like that. And we're gonna make it a tortilla soup. We're gonna begin with pouring our portion of chicken in the bottom. Generous chicken right there, see? We're gonna go to the next ingredient. What we're gonna do is we have the main ingredient is our salsa right there. We're gonna cover this way is our soup. Like that, just to cover, barely cover the chicken. And we're gonna add the main ingredient in our videos, the tortillas. Okay, in this case, we have stripes, we cut it different, and we deep fry as well. There we go. We pour a lot of these babies right here. Place it carefully. Doesn't have to be perfect, hey, remember, but there it is, more or less. Okay, here we go. And we are going to add avocados. We purposely have sliced like in dice, little tiny things all over the place. Don't be shy with the avocados. Some people love them. Put some more. All right. Okay, my friends, we're gonna use feta cheese in this occasion. You can use manchego, you can use mozzarella, you can use any kind of cheese that you want. I recommend you use and ask in Mexico. Panela cheese is really good for this. It won't give you that melt and it will sustain the body and the taste is awesome. This occasion we're gonna use feta cheese. We're gonna crunch it all over the place. Now I'm gonna try to leave a little big chunks, you know. Don't be shy neither. A little bit more. There you go. And that will be it. And we're gonna end it with a little bit of garlic cream that we have right here as well. We're gonna end it like these. And we're gonna finish our plate with a little decoration of cilantro. And there you go, my friends. We got wonderful tortilla soup. Tortilla soup right there. Okay, my friends, as I promised, we get 3 dishes with our main ingredient that today we present to you, the tortillas. We talked about it last video. So Javi's Rockin' Kitchen presents breakfast. Huevos rancheros, my friends. Huevos rancheros, the simplest and the easiest way, of course. You can go more fancy. Next, we have our lunch based on tortilla with chips. We make chilaquiles, red chilaquiles. And of course, we had at the end of the night, our dinner, Mexican traditional as well. We call it tortilla soup. Hope you enjoy all the recipes, my friends. And keep rocking, keep rolling, and keep us tuned. Remember to hit the notifications, the little bell. Send us comments. Please let me know what you're thinking. If you want to know anything else about, leave it in the comments below. We really appreciate all what you do for us. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Keep rocking and rolling. We'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.